Do you want to make a good first impression to potential customers that ultimately leads to more sales? Well, your LinkedIn banner may be the first place to start. Hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paris and we are all about practical tools and tips to help you grow your business with online marketing. So if you're an entrepreneur or business owner, consider subscribing for more actionable content. Today I'll be showing you how to create a custom LinkedIn banner using Canva that will help you stand out from the crowd. To get started, we'll go to canva.com. You can sign in if you have an account. If you do not, you can use the link in the description to get a free Canva account plus 30 free days of Canva Pro. So this is the Canva dashboard. We are going to go to here where it says create a design, and we are going to type in this search bar LinkedIn. Now we have a list of LinkedIn items that we can create. We are going to go to this second one here that says LinkedIn banner, whose size is 1584 by 396 pixels. So this first one is 2000 by 600 pixels, but the recommended size is 1584 by 396 pixels. So we are going to click on that one. Now we have a blank canvas that we can work with. So to the left hand side, we have some templates that we can choose from. So you can scroll down to see if you can find a template that you like. So anytime you see this gold crown and pro written next to it, it means that these ones are pro elements or pro templates. So what that means is that if you use them, you have to buy them. I'm using my free account, so I'm not going to choose the pro templates. I'm going to scroll down and see if I can find a free one that I like. I think we can use this one. So now we have a template that we can modify, then we can use it for our LinkedIn banner. I'll delete this line first. I don't think I need that. So now you can customize the banner to what you want it to look like. I want to stay on brand, and that's important for you to stay on brand. So now I'll click on this color here so that I can change it to my blue brand color. So if I just click on this and just choose a random blue here, this is darker than my brand color. So I can just go back and then I can upload my logo here because I want to get this particular blue. Now I can again click on this background color here. Then I click on whether I want to change the color. And now you can see that we have the photo colors that have come here. And the blue that I want to change it to is this blue. Now I can delete the logo. I don't want it to be on the banner here because I'm going to put it in the profile picture. And then I'm going to change this color to white so that I can edit the text. But first of all, I'm going to ungroup because I don't want the lower part here. So I'll ungroup that. Then I click away. Then now I can click this and just delete it. Then I'm going to change this color to white. I'm also going to change this font to that. That is the font that I prefer to use for this. So now we can type in some text to this. Here on the banner, you want to tell people what your business does, or you can put in some interests or a tagline. It's just customizing it. You can also have a picture here, just a blank picture on the banner. But that doesn't do a lot of customization because anyone can do that. So you want to put in a little bit of effort. That's why we are just trying to customize ours. So I'm going to type in here what it is that we do at Bluestrap. We want to type in grow your business with online marketing. So this is what we want to say here. So you can put it there. There's an element behind here. So I'm just going to move it here. I'm also going to make it white. So I want to duplicate it so that we have one on the top here. So you just press Alt on your keyboard, then you click the element and drag outward. That duplicates it. So we can have this one on the top here. Then we have this one here so it looks like it's continuous. So I also want to have a bit of this distressed look showing. So I'll just rotate it like that. Yeah, and I'm also going to rotate this one so that we also have the distressed look, just for consistency, and just for it to look good. So once you're done designing your banner and you're happy with it, you can either publish directly to LinkedIn, or you can go to this download part here and then you can just download it. You can also rename it here. So I've already renamed mine to Bluestrap Media LinkedIn banner. So now I can download it. So we'll just press on that. And then we'll download it as PNG, which is suggested. So we just click on download. So it's downloading now. So once the download is complete, we are going to go to LinkedIn, but not just yet. We are not done with Canva just yet, because if you go to this LinkedIn profile, so this is my LinkedIn profile, you can see here that we have this section for the banner, but we also have the section for the profile picture here. So you can upload a picture, your picture in the profile picture, but for the brand, I want to put in a picture of my logo, because we want to continue to create awareness for the brand. So you go to the Canva homepage, and then we are going to go to where it says create a design, but this time we are going to go to where it says custom size. So we'll click on, and then we are going to have our size as 1600 by 1600 pixels. You just type in 1600 by 1600, and then you say create a new design. So this is what we want to create for our profile picture. So this is the blank canvas. We're just going to go to the uploads here, and I'm going to click my logo here, and I'll just resize it just so that it fits nicely inside this canvas. And then I'm just going to download it. I don't need to do a lot of work here. So we'll download it also as PNG. And now it's done downloading. So now we are going to go to the LinkedIn profile. At the LinkedIn profile, you go to the banner section and you click on this camera icon, then edit profile background. Then you go to where your downloads are. So we'll click on this Bluestrap Media LinkedIn banner. You don't have to do a lot of customization here, because you can see we got the size right. So we'll just click on apply, and you can see our banner is looking better. Then you do the same for the profile picture. You just upload photo, and then you click on the one you're looking for. And then you can also see for this one, we also don't have a lot of work to do here, but essentially you can crop if you want to. You can also drag to reposition. So I'm just going to save the photo now, and you can see the profile is looking much better. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to stand out on LinkedIn that you can implement immediately. Subscribe if you haven't already. In the meantime, have a great one, and I'll see you in the next video.